Hi and welcome to another Nomad Sculpt modeling video. Again, we are continuing off of, let's see, we did the hand, the foot, the leg. Now we're going to do the arm. As you can see from the leftmost corner here. Again, like I tell you, please use reference images, use your own arm, use images that you find online. Don't try to do this from memory. I know some people are that good, but I'm an amateur, and I'm sure some of you are just starting. I mean, you might even be better than me, but I'm just saying, make your life easier. Use what's out there, break it down into shapes, and then build up on from something simple to a little more complex. So yeah, let's get started. All right, we're gonna do the front view here, and let's see. Nope, not project gizmo. All right, make this a little smaller. That's good. And we're gonna bring it up here. Front. Then we're gonna add cylinder. Make this smaller like that. Bring it up, and we're gonna angle this like that. Like that. Alright, that's good. Validate. Let's bring in another sphere. We're just gonna use what's already here. Oh, alright, forgot. All right. Okay, bring it a little smaller. This is kind of like our elbow, and then we're gonna do the same over here. Duplicate that and bring it. Okay, make it a little small like that, because at the end of this one, that's where our what do you call it? Our hand goes. See this should be a little longer. Yeah, I don't know what this is called. It's been a long time since anatomy class. The forearm, no, the upper arm, the lower arm. Yeah, we're gonna call it the lower arm needs to be bigger than the upper arm over here, this part. All right, then, all right, this is good. All right, sweet. Now, like we did before, let's add all our shapes together, and that will be voxel merge. Put your resolution to 60 because we are working from simple to higher, or for now, right? And then voxel merge. Sweet. All right, let's move things out before we continue. Cool. Make this a bit smaller. If you're ever going to do geometry, make it local to it, in case you're off from the 3D space, from the scene. All right. Alright, so that is the front. Now let's add some muscle here and some muscle here. So let's go to clay, and we're gonna do, this is the side to side. We want the C-plane here for our geometry. That. Okay. And then we're just gonna add muscles. Remember, we're not muscular, so, well, I'm not muscular, so you don't need to add that much muscle. We're just trying to give it kind of the human shape here. Okay, let's do subtraction, increase. Oh, decrease here. Actually, those details can be done later. Yeah. Again, we are just focusing on the simple shapes. Okay, the arm looks pretty good overall. I would say good job, guys. All right. And then this needs to be extended a little bit more. Oh. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's drag those. Look at the front. All right. Now let's smooth things out. Remember, it's okay, we're just getting the general shape for now. We won't really do our detailing until much later. Okay, let's go to the front. Yeah, looks like a pretty good arm. It just looks a little better, but we get the decent curvature. Let's see, we need to reduce this right here because it doesn't really have that bulge right here, plate wise, sorry, muscle wise. Ooh. Okay. Not too much. Okay, we're just gonna smooth that out. Oh. Okay, that's better. That's more realistic. Elbow, bicep, tricep, bicep, I think, yeah, this bicep. Okay, cool. Learning the names does help, but if you're like me, yeah, you're fine. You're just learning, but learn as you go. It's always better to learn in context, because that association makes it easier to learn. Well, it makes the connection a little better. God, I'm just terrible at explaining. All right, let's just continue. All right, so we got the arm ready. Next video, we are gonna do the chest / abdomen, then the head, and then we can put it all together and see how this monstrosity is gonna look. All right.